Picture the intensity of being encircled by a group of predators, each one moving with precision and purpose. In the ocean, many species rely on coordinated hunting strategies to outmaneuver their prey. These predators communicate and synchronize their movements, creating an almost seamless unit. Their teamwork allows them to corner and capture prey that would be impossible to catch alone. This remarkable cooperation highlights the complexity and intelligence found in the ocean's hunters. Every attempt to break free is swiftly intercepted, with no route left unguarded. The team's coordination is seamless, predicting each action before it unfolds. No matter the direction, escape is cut off at every turn. The sense of being surrounded grows, as each move is anticipated and countered with precision. Suddenly, as a gap opens in the waves, the ocean surges with unexpected power. Water crashes upward, sending spray and foam into the air. The force is both awe-inspiring and intimidating, reminding us of the ocean's unpredictable nature. In moments like these, the sea reveals its true strength and capacity for surprise. Dolphins are renowned for their remarkable intelligence, which sets them apart in the animal kingdom. Living in close-knit groups, they rely on sophisticated communication and coordinated strategies to hunt and protect one another. Their ability to solve problems and adapt to new situations showcases a level of cognitive ability rarely seen in other marine creatures. In this environment, teamwork is not just an advantage, it's essential for survival. Dolphins have long been admired for their playful behavior and intelligence, often earning a reputation as friendly and charming creatures. However, their social dynamics and interactions can be surprisingly complex. In the wild, dolphins sometimes display aggressive behaviors, both towards each other and other marine animals. This lesser-known aspect of their nature reveals that dolphins are not always as gentle as they appear. Understanding these behaviors provides a more complete picture of these fascinating marine mammals. Dolphins are renowned for their intelligence, and this is especially evident in their hunting techniques. They often work together in groups, coordinating their movements to herd fish into tight balls, making them easier to catch. Some species use unique methods, such as creating mud rings to trap prey or stunning fish with powerful bursts of sound. These strategies highlight the dolphin's adaptability and teamwork, setting them apart as some of the ocean's most effective hunters. Dolphins are known for their intelligence, and this is especially evident in the way they hunt. Rather than relying on speed alone, dolphins carefully strategize their approach to capturing prey. They often work together, coordinating their movements to outmaneuver and corner their targets. This level of planning demonstrates a remarkable degree of foresight and cooperation within dolphin groups. Coordination plays a vital role in their achievements, enabling each member to contribute effectively. By working in harmony, they can tackle complex tasks with greater efficiency. This seamless collaboration not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a sense of unity within the group. Ultimately, their coordinated efforts are what drive their continued success. Their hunting strategies are marked by remarkable coordination and accuracy. Each member plays a specific role, working together seamlessly to achieve their goal. This level of teamwork allows them to outmaneuver their prey and maximize their chances of success. The efficiency of their approach is comparable to that of a well-trained team, where every action is deliberate and purposeful. Dolphins are highly social animals that live in groups known as pods. These pods are not just random assemblies, they function as close-knit communities where members cooperate and communicate extensively. Within a pod, dolphins work together to hunt, protect each other from predators, and care for their young. The strong social bonds formed in these groups are essential for their survival and well-being. A dolphin pod is much more than just a casual gathering of animals. Like a SWAT team, a pod operates with clear structure and defined roles, each member contributing to the group's survival and success. Dolphins coordinate their movements, communicate through complex signals, and work together to hunt or protect each other from threats. This level of organization sets them apart from a simple group, highlighting the intelligence and social complexity of these remarkable marine mammals. Within each pod, dolphins assume distinct roles that contribute to the group's overall success. They use a variety of sounds and gestures to communicate with one another, ensuring coordination during activities like hunting or traveling. By working together and sharing information, dolphins are able to develop effective strategies for finding food and protecting themselves from predators. This complex social structure highlights their intelligence and adaptability in the wild. What may appear as random movement in the ocean is, in fact, a display of organized intelligence. Marine life operates within complex systems, where each action serves a purpose. From the coordinated hunting strategies of dolphins to the synchronized migrations of fish, these behaviors reveal a remarkable level of order. The ocean is a dynamic environment, shaped by the intricate interactions of its inhabitants. Dolphins are known for their remarkable ability to coordinate with one another, a skill that depends on advanced communication techniques. They use a variety of sounds, such as clicks and whistles, to convey information and maintain group cohesion. These vocalizations help dolphins synchronize their movements during hunting and social interactions. Through these sophisticated methods, dolphins demonstrate a high level of intelligence and social complexity. Dolphins communicate in a fascinating way, relying on clicks, whistles, and body movements rather than spoken words. Each sound and gesture carries specific meaning, allowing them to convey messages to one another. These vocalizations can signal everything from the presence of food to warnings about danger. Body language, such as leaping or slapping the water, also plays a crucial role in their interactions. This complex system helps dolphins maintain strong social bonds within their groups. Each sound produced underwater carries important information. These sounds reveal not only the location of their source, but also the purpose behind the action and its timing. Together, they form a dynamic exchange of cues, almost like a real-time tactical conversation. This constant flow of audio signals helps marine life and divers alike to interpret and respond to their surroundings efficiently. Their group communication operates seamlessly, much like a conference call where each participant is fully engaged. Everyone listens attentively, ensuring that no message goes unheard. Responses are thoughtful and timely, creating a dynamic flow of information. This level of interaction fosters strong understanding and collaboration within the group. A dolphin hunt starts with the crucial task of finding prey. Dolphins rely on their advanced echolocation abilities to scan the water for potential targets. Once a suitable group of fish is detected, the dolphins coordinate their movements, communicating with each other to plan their approach. This initial phase sets the stage for the complex and cooperative hunting techniques that follow. Dolphins begin their hunt by locating prey, using a remarkable biological tool known as echolocation. By emitting a series of clicks and listening for the echoes that bounce back from objects in the water, they can determine the size, shape, and distance of potential targets. This sophisticated sense allows dolphins to navigate murky waters and pinpoint even the smallest fish. Echolocation is essential for their survival, making them highly effective predators in their underwater environment. Dolphins possess a remarkable ability known as echolocation. By emitting sound waves into their environment, they can detect objects based on the echoes that bounce back. This process allows dolphins to navigate, hunt, and communicate even in dark or murky waters where vision is limited. Essentially, dolphins are able to see their surroundings using sound, giving them a unique advantage in the ocean. Once a school of fish is found, dolphins spring into action, demonstrating impressive coordination and intelligence. Working together, they encircle the fish, herding them into tight groups to prevent escape. Each dolphin plays a specific role, whether driving the fish from below or blocking their path from the sides. This collaborative effort ensures a successful hunt, highlighting the sophisticated social behaviors that dolphins are known for. As the dolphins begin to spread out, they transition smoothly into the next phase of their hunt. Each member takes up a strategic position, working together to encircle their prey. This coordinated movement is essential for driving fish into tighter groups, making them easier to catch. The dolphins' teamwork and communication are key factors in their hunting success. The dolphins move with remarkable precision, each one aware of its specific task within the group. Their actions are synchronized, creating a seamless display of teamwork. This coordination allows them to achieve complex goals that would be impossible alone. Such behavior highlights the intelligence and social structure present within dolphin communities. The dolphins carefully arrange themselves in the water, each taking up a specific spot within the group. This deliberate positioning is not random. It is part of a coordinated effort that relies on teamwork and precise timing. By aligning together, the dolphins set the stage for a synchronized maneuver that enhances their effectiveness, whether hunting or navigating their environment. Their strategic approach highlights the intelligence and social cooperation characteristic of these remarkable marine mammals. The group moves together, positioning themselves in a circle around the school of fish. By doing so, they create a living barrier, effectively enclosing the fish within their formation. This coordinated effort prevents the fish from escaping and allows the group to control their movements. Such teamwork demonstrates both strategy and unity in achieving their goal. Gradually, the dolphins draw nearer, methodically shrinking the perimeter around the school of fish. With each coordinated movement, the available space for the fish becomes smaller and smaller. This strategic approach limits the fish's options for escape, making it easier for the dolphins to hunt. The teamwork displayed by the dolphins highlights their intelligence and sophisticated hunting techniques. Escape routes are methodically blocked, ensuring that the fish have no available paths to safety. Each possible exit is carefully sealed, trapping the fish within a confined area. This strategy leaves the fish increasingly vulnerable, as their options for evasion are eliminated. With nowhere left to turn, the fish become easy targets for capture. This behavior goes beyond ordinary hunting. It is a carefully coordinated effort, where dolphins work together to corral their prey. Such actions highlight their remarkable problem-solving abilities and social cooperation. Through these sophisticated techniques, dolphins demonstrate a level of intelligence that sets them apart in the animal kingdom. As the net tightens, the fish trapped within start to panic. Their movements become frantic, darting in all directions in a desperate attempt to escape. The water churns with their collective struggle, each fish sensing the looming danger. This instinctive reaction highlights their awareness of the threat closing in around them. In moments of sudden fear, the fish instinctively gather into a dense group. By clustering closely, they create the illusion of a larger organism, which can help deter potential predators. This collective behavior increases their chances of survival, as it becomes harder for a threat to single out an individual. The tightly packed formation demonstrates the power of unity in the face of danger. When threatened by predators, small fish often gather tightly together, creating a dense spherical formation known as a bait ball. This collective behavior makes it more difficult for individual fish to be singled out and captured. The swirling motion and compact structure of the bait ball can confuse predators, offering the group a better chance of survival. Such formations are commonly observed in the open ocean, especially during feeding frenzies involving larger marine animals. As the bait ball forms, the fish cluster tightly together, creating a dense, swirling sphere in the water. This collective movement is a defensive response, but it also makes the group more visible and accessible to predators. The compact shape of the bait ball means that individual fish have less room to escape. As a result, predators can more easily target and capture their prey within the mass of moving bodies. This result is precisely what the dolphins aimed to achieve. By working together, they have successfully corralled their prey into a confined area. With the prey now contained, the dolphins can feed more efficiently and with less effort. This behavior demonstrates their remarkable intelligence and cooperative hunting strategies. With the fish now securely corralled, the dolphins shift their focus to the final stage of their hunt. They communicate with one another, coordinating their movements with remarkable precision. Each dolphin takes its position, ready to strike at the optimal moment. The teamwork displayed ensures that their efforts will yield a successful catch. A single dolphin breaks away from the group and surges toward the tightly packed bait ball. With remarkable speed and precision, it initiates the attack, scattering the smaller fish in all directions. The sudden movement creates chaos within the school, making it easier for the dolphin to target its prey. This first strike signals the beginning of a coordinated hunt. Another dolphin approaches, seamlessly joining the feeding process. Each member of the group takes turns, ensuring that everyone has a chance to eat. This cooperative behavior highlights the strong social bonds within the pod. By sharing access to food, dolphins demonstrate remarkable teamwork and coordination. The dolphins display remarkable teamwork as they hunt. Rather than competing, they coordinate their movements, working together to surround and capture their prey. This cooperative behavior ensures that each member of the group has an equal opportunity to feed. By sharing the catch, the dolphins strengthen their social bonds and increase the success of the entire pod. Rather than descending into disorder, this process is characterized by a collective effort where individuals work together toward a common goal. The hunt relies on precise communication and cooperation, highlighting the importance of social bonds within the group. Each participant plays a specific role, ensuring that actions are coordinated and efficient. This shared endeavor not only increases the chances of success, but also strengthens relationships among the members. Picture a buffet where each individual waits calmly for their opportunity, demonstrating a high level of cooperation. This is much like the behavior observed in dolphins, who display impressive teamwork when hunting or sharing resources. Instead of competing, they coordinate their actions, ensuring that every member of the group benefits. Such collaboration highlights the sophisticated social structures found within dolphin communities. Dolphins are renowned for their intelligence, but their hunting behavior reveals an even deeper level of complexity. These marine mammals employ sophisticated strategies to locate and capture prey, often working together in highly coordinated groups. Their ability to communicate and adapt in real time allows them to overcome challenges in their environment. By examining how dolphins hunt, we gain insight into the remarkable teamwork and ingenuity that define their social lives. Dolphins are known for their remarkable teamwork, especially when hunting. Within a group, each dolphin takes on a specific role to maximize their chances of success. Some dolphins may act as herders, driving fish into tight clusters, while others serve as blockers, preventing prey from escaping. There are also dolphins that position themselves to catch fleeing fish. This division of labor showcases the intelligence and adaptability of dolphins as they coordinate their actions to achieve a common goal. Dolphins are known for their remarkable teamwork when hunting for fish. They often work together to herd schools of fish, using coordinated movements to guide their prey into tight groups. By circling around the fish and creating barriers with their bodies, the dolphins make it difficult for any to escape. Once the fish are gathered into position, the dolphins take turns darting in to feed, ensuring that each member of the group has a chance to eat. This cooperative strategy highlights the intelligence and social nature of these fascinating marine mammals. Dolphins are known for their remarkable teamwork when hunting. One effective strategy they use involves blocking escape routes, making it nearly impossible for prey to get away. By positioning themselves strategically, dolphins create barriers in the water, herding fish into tight groups. This coordinated effort ensures that the prey remains trapped, allowing the dolphins to feed efficiently. Such behavior highlights the intelligence and social cooperation that dolphins are famous for. Among the pod, certain dolphins assume the role of attackers during the hunt. These individuals use swift, coordinated movements to chase and capture fish, often working together to outmaneuver their prey. Their agility and intelligence allow them to anticipate the fish's movements, making escape difficult. Through teamwork and precise timing, the attacking dolphins ensure a successful catch for the group. Dolphins are renowned for their remarkable teamwork, which is characterized by a high degree of flexibility. Unlike many other animals, dolphins do not stick to rigid roles within their groups. Instead, individuals can switch responsibilities depending on the needs of the moment. For example, one dolphin might lead a hunt in one instance and then take on a supportive role in another. This adaptability allows dolphin pods to respond effectively to changing challenges in their environment. Flexible teamwork of this caliber is exceptionally rare, even among human groups. Coordinating seamlessly in dynamic situations requires not only advanced communication, but also a deep understanding of each team member's strengths and intentions. Achieving this level of sophistication often takes years of experience and trust. It highlights just how remarkable and complex true collaboration can be, setting a high standard for both humans and machines alike. Dolphins are renowned for their intelligence, and this is especially evident in the diverse hunting strategies they employ. Different dolphin populations have developed unique techniques tailored to their environments and prey. Some work together to herd fish into tight groups, while others use tools or even mud to trap their catch. These specialized behaviors highlight the adaptability and social coordination that make dolphins such effective hunters. By studying these strategies, scientists gain valuable insights into the complex lives of these remarkable marine mammals. Mud ring feeding is a remarkable hunting strategy used by dolphins, particularly in shallow coastal waters. In this technique, a dolphin swims in a tight circle, stirring up the sea floor with its tail to create a ring of muddy water. This ring acts as a barrier, trapping fish inside and making it easier for the dolphins to catch their prey. The behavior demonstrates both the intelligence and cooperation often seen in dolphin communities. Observing mud ring feeding offers fascinating insights into the adaptability and problem-solving skills of these marine mammals. Mud ring feeding begins when a single dolphin takes the lead. This dolphin swims in a tight circle near the ocean floor, using its tail to stir up sediment and create a ring of muddy water. As the mud rises, it forms a visible barrier that surrounds a group of fish. The fish, confused and contained by the ring, become easier targets for the dolphins waiting nearby. This clever technique showcases the dolphin's intelligence and cooperative hunting skills. A thick mud barrier is carefully constructed along the water's edge, forming a sturdy wall that seals off a section of the stream. As the barrier takes shape, it creates a closed-off area where fish become trapped, unable to swim past the newly formed obstruction. The mud is packed tightly to prevent any gaps, ensuring that the fish remain contained within the designated space. This simple yet effective method relies on the natural properties of mud to create a temporary enclosure, making it easier to catch the fish inside. As the fish sense danger, they make a desperate attempt to escape by leaping out of the water. Their silvery bodies arc through the air, hoping to evade the threats lurking below. However, just above the surface, dolphins lie in wait, anticipating the fish's every move. With remarkable speed and precision, the dolphins intercept the airborne fish, turning the escape attempt into an opportunity for a successful hunt. Success in this hunting method relies heavily on impeccable timing and seamless coordination. Each participant must anticipate the movements of both the prey and their fellow hunters, reacting in perfect unison. A single misstep or moment of hesitation can mean the difference between a successful catch and an opportunity lost. This level of precision is developed through practice, communication, and a deep understanding of the environment. The mud ring strategy proves remarkably effective, functioning much like an invisible snare for unsuspecting fish. As the dolphins work together to stir up sediment, they create a barrier that disorients and confines their prey. The fish, unable to see the boundaries of the muddy ring, instinctively leap out of the water, only to land directly in the dolphin's path. This clever tactic showcases the dolphin's intelligence and highlights how nature often relies on subtlety rather than force. Advanced strategies in any field rarely come naturally. Instead, they are the result of deliberate learning and practice over time. While some individuals may appear to have an intuitive grasp, their expertise is typically built upon a foundation of acquired knowledge and experience. Understanding that these skills are learned can help demystify the process and encourage a more structured approach to mastering them. Young dolphins learn essential hunting techniques by closely observing the behavior of adult members in their group. Through careful watching, they pick up on strategies such as herding fish, using tools, or coordinating with others. This process of imitation allows them to gradually master the skills needed to catch prey effectively. Over time, these learned behaviors become an important part of their survival in the wild. Juvenile dolphins spend much of their early lives engaged in playful activities that are essential for their development. Through games like chasing, leaping, and mock fighting, they practice the skills they will need as adults. These playful interactions help them refine their hunting techniques, improve their agility, and strengthen social bonds within the group. Over time, these repeated experiences allow young dolphins to become more adept at navigating their environment and responding to challenges. In conclusion, dolphins demonstrate clear evidence of culture through the transmission of learned behaviors across generations. These behaviors, such as unique hunting techniques and social interactions, are not instinctive, but are taught and shared within their communities. This ongoing transfer of knowledge highlights the complexity of dolphin societies. It also underscores the remarkable intelligence and adaptability that dolphins possess, setting them apart as one of the most culturally rich species in the animal kingdom. Dolphin populations exhibit remarkable diversity in their hunting techniques, often shaped by their local environments and available prey. Even within the same species, dolphins in different regions may develop unique strategies to catch food. For example, some groups use cooperative herding to trap fish, while others employ tools or stir up sediment to uncover hidden prey. These regional differences highlight the adaptability and intelligence of dolphins as they innovate and pass down specialized methods through generations. Such variations underscore the complex social and ecological dynamics that define dolphin communities around the world. Dolphins are remarkable creatures known for their adaptability in a constantly changing environment. Unlike animals that rely solely on instinct, dolphins do not simply follow a predetermined script in their behavior. Instead, they demonstrate the ability to adjust their actions based on new situations and challenges. This flexibility allows them to thrive in diverse habitats, interact with various species, and solve complex problems in their daily lives. Dolphins are renowned for their remarkable adaptability in the face of environmental changes. Whether confronted with shifting ocean currents, variations in water temperature, or changes in prey availability, these intelligent mammals demonstrate flexible behaviors that help them survive and thrive. Dolphins often modify their hunting techniques, social structures, and communication patterns to suit new circumstances. This adaptability not only ensures their survival, but also highlights the complex problem-solving abilities that set dolphins apart in the animal kingdom. Dolphins are remarkable for their ability to adapt instantly when pursuing prey. When a fish suddenly shifts direction, dolphins respond with swift, precise movements, seamlessly altering their course to keep up. Their agility in the water allows them to anticipate and react to these changes almost immediately. This quick decision-making ensures they remain effective hunters, even when their prey tries to escape. These rapid adjustments highlight the intelligence and coordination that dolphins are known for in the wild. Dolphins are known for their remarkable ability to adapt when faced with unexpected challenges. When their original strategies do not yield the desired results, these intelligent creatures quickly shift tactics, demonstrating impressive improvisational skills. This flexibility allows dolphins to navigate complex social interactions and solve problems in their environment. Their capacity to think on their feet highlights the advanced cognitive abilities that set them apart in the animal kingdom. Dolphins are renowned for their remarkable cognitive abilities, particularly when it comes to making decisions in real time. They constantly assess their environment, process complex information, and adapt their behavior accordingly. Whether navigating through intricate social interactions or responding to sudden changes in their surroundings, dolphins demonstrate a high level of intelligence and flexibility. This capacity for quick, thoughtful decision-making highlights the sophisticated nature of their minds. Dolphin behavior goes beyond simple instinct, revealing a remarkable capacity for strategic thinking. When faced with challenging situations, dolphins often assess their environment and adapt their actions accordingly. They have been observed coordinating complex group tactics during hunts, adjusting their approach based on the behavior of their prey. This ability to make quick decisions under pressure highlights their advanced cognitive skills, setting them apart from many other marine animals. Dolphins are renowned for their remarkable intelligence, displaying advanced problem-solving abilities and complex social behaviors. They communicate using a variety of sounds and body language, enabling them to coordinate effectively within their pods. Teamwork is essential for dolphins, especially when hunting or protecting one another from predators. Through cooperation and intricate strategies, dolphins demonstrate a level of cognitive sophistication that continues to fascinate researchers. Their intelligence and collaborative nature set them apart as some of the most extraordinary creatures in the animal kingdom. Dolphins exhibit remarkably advanced social behaviors that set them apart in the animal kingdom. They communicate with each other in real time using a complex array of sounds and gestures to share information and coordinate actions. Within their groups, dolphins assign specific roles, allowing them to execute highly coordinated attacks when hunting. These strategies often involve specialized techniques tailored to their environment and prey. Additionally, older dolphins actively teach younger members these skills, ensuring that knowledge is passed down through generations. Dolphins do not hunt at random. Their approach is remarkably structured and coordinated. These intelligent marine mammals often work together in groups, using complex strategies to herd and capture fish. Each dolphin plays a specific role within the group, ensuring that their efforts are both efficient and effective. This organized behavior highlights the sophisticated social dynamics and communication skills that dolphins possess. Dolphins are renowned for their remarkable ability to work together as a cohesive group. Their high-level teamwork is evident in activities such as coordinated hunting, where each member plays a specific role to herd and capture prey efficiently. Communication among dolphins is sophisticated, allowing them to synchronize their movements and adapt to changing situations. This collaborative behavior not only ensures their survival, but also highlights the intelligence and social complexity of these marine mammals. Have you ever wondered how we truly measure intelligence in animals like dolphins? Despite their remarkable behaviors and complex social interactions, our understanding of their cognitive abilities is often shaped by human perspectives. What if our methods of assessment overlook unique forms of intelligence that dolphins possess? This question invites us to reconsider the ways we interpret and value intelligence beyond our own human experience. Dolphins have long fascinated scientists and the public alike with their remarkable displays of intelligence. Their ability to solve complex problems, use tools, and communicate through a variety of sounds and gestures points to advanced cognitive abilities. However, dolphin intelligence is often underestimated, largely because their behaviors and communication methods differ significantly from those of humans and other primates. This difference can make it challenging for observers to recognize the full extent of their mental capabilities. By broadening our understanding of what constitutes intelligence, we can better appreciate the sophisticated minds of these marine mammals. Dolphins are often perceived as friendly and playful creatures, largely due to their curved mouths that resemble a smile and their frequent interactions with humans. However, this appearance can lead to several misconceptions. Many people assume dolphins are always gentle and harmless, overlooking the fact that they are wild animals with complex behaviors. In reality, dolphins can display aggression, both toward each other and, on rare occasions, toward humans. Understanding these misconceptions helps us appreciate dolphins for what they truly are, rather than projecting human traits onto them. Intelligence is best demonstrated through the ability to coordinate, plan, and execute complex tasks. It is not something that can be measured by outward appearance or physical traits. True intelligence reveals itself in thoughtful decision-making and effective problem-solving. By focusing on actions and results, we gain a clearer understanding of what it truly means to be intelligent. In conclusion, dolphins stand out as remarkable examples of coordination, planning, and execution in the animal kingdom. Their ability to work together seamlessly, anticipate each other's actions, and adapt to changing situations showcases a high level of intelligence. Through complex hunting strategies and social interactions, dolphins demonstrate skills that rival those of many other species. Their mastery of these abilities continues to fascinate scientists and inspire admiration worldwide. As we reflect on what we've learned, it's important to recognize dolphins not just for their playful charm, but for their remarkable intelligence and strategic thinking. These animals exhibit complex problem-solving skills and cooperative behaviors that rival those of many other species. By appreciating dolphins as skilled strategists, we gain a deeper understanding of their role in the natural world. This perspective invites us to look beyond appearances and value the depth of their abilities. In the vast expanse of the ocean, every decision can mean the difference between success and failure. Navigating these waters requires careful planning and a keen understanding of the environment. Strategy becomes the compass that guides each move, shaping outcomes and defining destinies. Ultimately, in the ocean, strategy is everything. If you're fascinated by the remarkable intelligence of animals, there's much more to discover. Animal teams are constantly forming and strategizing in the wild, revealing new insights into their complex behaviors. Stay tuned for future explorations into the world of animal intelligence, where the boundaries between instinct and planning continue to blur. In the natural world, animals often display behaviors and strategies that go beyond what we might anticipate. Their instincts and adaptations can solve complex problems in ways that surprise even seasoned researchers. These remarkable approaches remind us that intelligence and innovation are not limited to humans. By observing and learning from animals, we gain new perspectives on the possibilities within nature.